In our previous video, we explored the world of Tableau Viz extensions and took a deep dive into supercharged Viz extension. Today, we are continuing that journey by talking about another powerful tool, the Tableau Table Viz extension. So what exactly is Tableau Table Viz extension? In simple terms, it's a powerful tool that lets us create highly customized and interactive tables within Tableau. Think of it as adding a supercharged extension to your existing Tableau capabilities, enabling you to take your data visualization to the next level. Why is this so important? Well, for one, it allows us to design tables that are not just informative, but also visually engaging and easy to understand in few simple steps. Whether you are working on a business dashboard, a detailed report, or just exploring data trends, this extension can help you present your information in a way that resonates with your audience. This Tableau Table Viz extension is released in Tableau version 2024.3. And the great news is that it's compatible with its previous version, that is Tableau 2024.2. This means you can enjoy its benefits even if you haven't upgraded to the latest version yet. So in today's tutorial, I'll be guiding you step by step through the process of setting up and using this Tableau Table Viz extension. By the end of this video, you will have all the knowledge you need to start integrating this amazing feature into your own projects. So let's get started. So let's start by connecting to sample Superstore dataset. So let's simply click on this dataset and you will see the workbook is open. So now here, first of all, we need to go to the drop down under mark section and add an extension. And you will see a pop-up window will appear where you will see all the different kind of extensions, including supercharged, which we discussed in our previous session. So here on the left hand side, you can filter it out based on the one which are created by Tableau and Salesforce, or the one which are free and created by third parties, and so on. So today I will select the ones which are created by Tableau, and you will see here two Viz extensions, supercharged and Tableau Tables. So let's click on Tableau Tables and open it. So once you click on open, it will ask you to allow that extension and just select OK. And you will see on the left hand side, Tableau Table is selected under the mark section. So what we need to do here is we need to bring dimensions and measures into the detail mark, which is on this side, and it will create a table for you. And then we will work on how to format this table. So it's quite simple. So we simply go to product and let's say we bring category, subcategory, and segments and drag it into details mark. And you will see the table is created. Now we want to bring some measures. So let's select sales, quantity, profit, discount, and drag it again into details mark. And let's bring some data as well. So let's bring order date and bring it into detail mark. So we can do simple formatting the way we do it in Excel, quite similar to that. So first of all, I want to change the date to exact date. So I will select it here. So you will see all the dates are populated here. Now changing the name or renaming the columns or dimension, it's quite simple. So let's change sum of discount by just double clicking on it, and we can simply change or write whatever we want. You can right click on that and rename from here as well. So it's really simple. Just with a click of a button, you can change the name of all these columns. Now, how we can do editing on these columns. So first of all, we can format the extension from here. When we click on that, pop-up window will appear and you can choose the one. So show toolbar, it is by default on. You can hide that and you will see at the top it's disappeared, and we can add it again. Show column filters. So each of these columns can be filtered by just clicking on this button, and you can see here the filter section appears at the top of the table. You can include null values if you want. Show search, which is on the right top there as well. So you can hide that and the search will be gone. So this is really powerful feature. You can search anything within the table while working on the data set. You can show tooltips. Also, you can show the Excel download button, which is here. And when you uncheck that, it will disappear. So let's include that too. And once we did the formatting of the extension, now let's do the formatting of individual columns. So let's say with the sales, I want to change the formatting and I want to show the bars instead of these numbers. So I select the column, go to this format column, and you can see here column formatting. And by default, it gives you these numbers. But I don't want to see that. I want to see data bars. So you select that and you will see the data bars here. And you can fill the color whichever you want. So in this case, instead of that, let's say I want green or I want dark shade. And you can also change the font. And if you don't want any shading, you can keep it as blank, or you can put a little bit of gray shading or light gray as per your needs. Right, so let's keep it this one. And also if you want to show the sales number, you click on sales mark text. And also you can do the conditional formatting by setting up the rule. So let's say I want to show the sales which are greater than, let's say 5,000. So I will click on that condition and enter the value greater than 5,000, or let's say 500. You will see these are highlighted. And you can change the fill color if you want. So greater than this one is green, and I want to see that way. And you can add multiple rules. If I say I want to show the sales which are less than 500, and you can highlight that and change it to shade of red. So that way you can add the traffic light indicators on the sales number, and it will straight away pop it up and show you what needs your attention. So that way you can add multiple rules you want in the same table. Isn't it simple? Another thing what you can do is, if in quantity, let's say I want to do the same formatting, but instead of doing bars, I want to do color scale. So you can simply select color scale and you can select the palette. So in this case it's blue, but you can select different color palettes which are provided here. Let's say green, and it will show the more quantity in darker green and less quantity in lighter green. And again, you can show the text marks which are already there, or you can uncheck that. And you can also put a condition rule here. If it is between, let's say minimum value is 4 and 7, then highlight that and you can change it accordingly. So that's really powerful how you can format it. And now coming on to the filtering. So let's say I want to filter the quantity by sales value, right? So I will reduce the number and you can see here how it filters. So let's say I want to filter by quantity. So you can reduce the quantity indicator from here and the numbers are being reduced. And you can also search an item in the table. So for example, I want to search only furniture. And when I click on that, it will highlight your furniture here and it will give me all the entries of only furnitures, right? So let's say I want to select books. So let's select book. It is highlighted all the book cases in this scenario. You can actually filter directly from here, and you want to change something to chair. And once you do that, it only shows you chairs in that table. So you can actually directly filter it out while you are working with the table. Isn't it amazing? So that's how you can utilize this Tableau Table Viz extension, and it's quite powerful, and you can format it the way you want it, and it makes your visualization really engaging and easy to use and resonate with your user. You can also click on XLS and download that XLS sheet, and if I download it here, it will download and we can open it and see what exactly is in there. So it is downloaded, and now when we go to our downloads and click on sheet 1, and you can see here it is downloaded exactly as it was shown in the dashboard in the worksheet in the same order with all the colors highlighted in the table. I hope you guys enjoyed this session. If you have any questions, feel free to reach out by commenting in the section below. Thank you.